What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm just getting the kitchen picked up a little. I have to put away the dishes that are already clean before washing the dishes that I dirtied up and get everything else put into their proper places. I really need to deep clean all of the bathrooms and even the kitchen, but that's going to wait for another time because I haven't been feeling well. And yeah, you guys know I don't like to see a mess, so I really have to get the kitchen taken care of as far as like putting this stuff up. But my pantry and also my refrigerator, they are totally messed up. So I need to do that, but that won't be getting done today either because I can just close the door to the pantry and of course close the door to the refrigerator, and I don't have to see those things. But as far as the things I can see, that has to be taken care of right now. So I found this universal stand at Walmart. They had it on clearance for $2. And I seen something similar to this in another store, but I didn't think it would actually work. So when I saw it in Walmart for $2, I figured I'd give it a try, and it actually works. It holds up my iPad. Of course, the phone, it's small. Last night we were playing laser tag with this really cool set that we picked up for our son. He really enjoys playing it at night because he can see the light, and it actually has the vibration effects when you get hit by the laser. So for my son's birthday, I got him cake and ice cream and cupcakes because he wanted cupcakes too. And we invited a couple of his cousins over because we're on lockdown and we couldn't go out for any fun. So we brought a little bit of fun to him. And it was really sad because we thought maybe it'd be warm outside and we could blow up his bouncy house and everything and put a few of his things outside and they can just enjoy themselves. But it was cold, so we couldn't do it. But he still seemed to have a good time just having his cousins over to celebrate with him. This camera is really picking up all of these terrible lint balls on my pants. Definitely cleaning outfit. My shirt isn't a cleaning outfit, but these pants definitely are. So right now I'm just taking down the curtains for my bedroom and get them into the washing machine because my husband's going to put up a new curtain rod that has like a diamond fixture on the end that matches our bed set. So he's going to actually raise up the hooks a little bit higher so that the curtains can kiss the floor instead of hanging on the floor. And he's having a hard time at this point drilling it into the wall. So I went down to get the stud finder to see if there was something back there like a nail plate that was causing us not to be able to put it into the wall, and that wasn't the case. So he ended up actually moving it over a little bit more in order to get the fixtures onto the wall. So I'll definitely have to steam iron my son's curtains, but I love how they kiss the floor instead of touching the floor. And the curtain rod in our room, I really love how it actually matches our headboard with the diamond effect. Instead of the microban to clean the countertops, I'll be using the bleach, and I'll use the microban later to spray like the doorknobs and everything because it lasts for 24 hours. So I just rather use that there and use my lovely bleach on the countertops. Takes control of me. You make me crazier than a lunatic. Liberate, liberate, don't get me that way. It's a different taste. Liberate, liberation. We ain't got no time to waste. I'm just like a mermaid. I wanna eat you, so fresh. You know black swan love, you refuse. You said jealousy soon.